ya gasịrị gị onye ma na-ege m ntị n'ụbọchị nke taata. Biko ebe ọ bụla isi wee na-awọchi m biko kudo dịrị gị, biko si anọ na subscribe comment like ya ma ọnụ notification gị. Ya ji maka wee bịa maka nwanne anyị nwanyị bụ Ogechukwu Okeke Njaka ya na gbasalụ Jpac. Oge wee pụta wee sị ka agbapụ oge Jpac afọ n'ihe ncha ọ na-eme, especially group chat ọ nọ n'ime ya. The kind of thing ha na-eme na that group chat, kind of thing ha na-eme group chat ụmụ nwoke na ụmụ anyị nọ. Ndị eche na ha dị responsible, but deep down when you search about them, you feel the kind of people ndị gị na ha na-emekọ ihe. Wee sị ka agbapụ Jpac afọ, wee wepụtacha ihe ncha voice note ma video recording gbasa Jpac group ọ nọ n'ime ya. Biko gegodi na ntị kwunu, because ihe nke ekwere ọmakụ akọ ama m ebe m ga-esi bido kọwa the thing. Biko watchgodi info video a na kwunfo ihe nwanne anyị nwanyị bụ maka ya.
Chere ndị ala ndị oji akpa elu ozu, bunch of idiots. Chere ndị pụtara tell them ihe wu problem unu akọzila mpa gị jikwara repuo ya, mmanya repuo ya, a na-akọ eri just to damage me. Na lie, truth, facts, evidence ka m ji ala unu niile n'iyi. I get you lot of Nigeria, we go pay you. You get you coming back. Lotana, you can't come back. You lot you get boogie. You lot you get boogie. Just the guys, chara. Apa me evidence. Somebody when I'm okay to evidence. Ebumia. Odo here. Ta. O mo akaba na amu. You better grow up, honey. Chara, ma pa facial no. How useless these people are. The group they are all screaming, crying. Because stop using our women as a nude, as a product of nude material. Time machine on us, so you guys are hopeless and useless. It has to stop. And they brought Jpac on Dotugi. Maybe you are even their member. Do I know? Because I see no reason why you should associate with Indene Kotom one. How were your colors? How were your colors? Lekwa? Akonya yidi one yaga alwalona. Guys, na share no programmer. Maka, you know why I'm just gonna share programmer? In case, give one of these pictures. In case one nigga lawyer, cholaya, and you na onyo koto. No, na Malaysia, from Malaysia deport to where ya Ghana, Vietnam. Now that intelligent color code, lay hundeni no here. Yeah, one of them. Yeah, one of the ladies, non a group koto. I want MP say, get you what? Hello? Happen become. Lekwaya. They created a group where they are sharing their own nudes. Yeah, with the face. Now, their groups sharing their private parts. The lady initially behind a post here. Auto is ready. Pussy is ready. Ya. Stop selling our women auto. And that she will talk get you. Ask them, why are they creating a group? The so-called men will be paying them 30,000 to share their own nudes, while they will collect nothing. Share what is their problem between Ogechi? Can you hear with the bone of contention? Why are they fighting Ogechi? Get it coming because none of them want to come and stand tall. Yeah, with the associate Jpac and associate. Then they got look at in a group. The boy and a or I will get you one torch. And the reason why they will get share the program, click love and like. Chineke walk no come. The boy on your shall be a comment here. Now share go ya follow. Pussy is ready. Otto is ready. Amo is ready. It's gonna be so. Ana oya. Toto challenge. Toto challenge. I am more than get you men haro because they have to formulate one story. Have formulate. I get you nugget declare. I get you a criminal. I get you scammed in Igbo. I get you have destroyed in Igbo. I'm actually wanted the brainless ones. Hey, but get you now. So that should be the most important questions. That should be the most important. That is the reason. Jpac joining, you know. This is the kind of calibers that called him yesterday to console him. Those are the people that called, though. I can go now. And they shall get a boogie. Terenu, one of the girls. Let me read what she wrote in that group. I don't want to talk because the last time I post to my Oppo and my Anna, someone inside here take the picture, go post another group. You know, say my man there for that group. God was asking where did I post to my Anna and Oppo? I said nowhere, but he don't send the picture to me. Talking to English, or she talking to you now. We are not together again. Till today, he has not picked my call. I go house and he send me out. Start calling me names. My friend till today, I never get myself. Imagine to show share video because my here. I too much. So you will not marry a shower or somewhere near here. You will not marry. A friend the banana the group send the ala fiancé balaga. This is it. Now na the group. So on Hana, my friend it is today. I never get myself because it was everything to me. So please, we should be very careful of people we add in this group. Lekwa their ringleader, the master of all unine lekwa here. Oh yeah, would the idiot ana po Jimo Koto. Oh yeah, would the founder, the creator, the builder, and the foundation. Oh yeah, choge. Oh yeah, na about my daddy war. Oh yeah, Jpac bunye my daddy. Ya na about ya war. She ya gini na eme ya kwa. Gini na eti ya kwa. Oh yeah, gana ajuya. Because you have to, at the age of 60 years, you're not married. At the age of 60 years, you look at one, or because of different people in our collect from women. Oh, no get you support no one. It is like after 60 years in Vietnam, nothing to write home. When you were deported in Malaysia, you did not achieve kobo. Ebakala, Gabiachite. Now, you continue. Look at the voice record I played. You only have to remember December. You want to go? This man, Bara your son. Oh, we are with the founder of Lebaye Boshage. Anna is allowed. You know, because she on Abana social media. They recruit girls. And that's me. The reason why I'm just not look with that. Our young they recruit, they fall into victim and fall walla. No new person again that fall into victim again. No new soul. The my chat ebona shege era is allowed. Ebia na ego. Ana ego. Here oshitoto day. Okay, hone kwena ebona day. Ni akoshe recruit women. Ya be chat ya with you. You want to ya be chat ya with you. I'm a shigi one agadi one in ala beke. Ana ugo ebe n'ikpu Cynthia Amadi ebono agati one at the Uwailanka ya ye were ikpu yare 30,000. I go show you the person. Chere Dekwa mu wanye nno. Dekwa be ha send the channel ha send the here niile ha. All the group na agwagi ha. You want to go? Now, this particular woman ana ugo ebe na aja Amadi lekwa ya all picture general na the group. The boy here, Cynthia Amadi. onye kwesịrị iwe grandmother at this age is in the group. Ebe o rere ọkpọ ya 30,000. Ọ ihe mere mgbe hụrụ ya kpọọ na phone because onye ahụ o ji ọtọ ya ji ya captive. Lee ya, Cynthia Amadi lekwa ya. Guys, click love and like. Ịma na ha ga na report this video. Lekwa ya Cynthia Amadi. Akwa ịhụ na their bows. Yeah, their bows. The men, lekwa ha, our men, lekwa ebe ha nọ. Our bows. Equal 30,000. Click love and like. And I report them. Lekwa, if Ebugo ebe na ajareri, huna bo jisaki sheep ya. Lekwa ya mbo posuru ya. Lekwa ya Cynthia Amadi. You don't see them. This is what our mothers are doing. Nda kpọrọ nne. Ohe ha ja achụ m tika. Jụọ ha gịnị ka ha ja achụrụ oge echi. Na mmapụrụ ha ashawo prostitution ha na-agba. Na mchi ya kwụsị arụ. Gana ebe ọlị ha na-akpọ ebe ọlị ha na-achịgo ga-eche ya nara. Saga people that they will stop. Iwa akwụna. Like my brother now be one of these prostitutes. One of these ashawo. Do we know na na alo yalo. Money when na chu ogechi, there is a reason no. Joe ha kene wo their problem. That should be your question. Ke hi mero ogechi. Ojiri me gigi. Don't be deceived by lies. Joe questions ni with a brain. Ask questions. Go deeper. Because they won't know wala news all in on gabru. Ask the ke ihe na sere unu no ogechi. Ke ihe free to ogechi problem unu. Ke oru unu. What do you guys do? I'm a goshi gebe your grandmother with la kukumba na the group na eguni ke ya. Iya we are Jpac joining. Don't be surprised then get puti buwa Jpac. Don't be surprised. Because I shower corner on Mitriana club. Jpac, I'm coming for you. Can you go there analyzing here and next programming apata. Guys, watch. I'm Jabia with evidence. And I'm about with all these Jacokumbu stories. Joe Hagini Resireki no Kechi. Umwanyanya. You know home Pakepanu again. And when Pakepanu, all of them are shower. In case of tomorrow, Joe had to question what is the problem between you and Ogechi. Can you not Ogechi tika? Leno asa, you go do one mana. Apage this guy na got boy your wife material. Apage one na asa. Jeremy J-born of fool. Wait, let me go to her fool here. Chere. Ashimo no. They call the name of group Executive Garden. Or the name of group na WhatsApp. They call the name of group na WhatsApp. Executive Garden. They ban allow our women into Biashia water. Auto. The choir. Don't be surprised that Jpac is among them. Don't be surprised that because when you associate with this group of people, that is what you do. Don't be surprised that Jpac is their own part of the game. The choir. Executive Garden. The choir here. Eba ka ha no na sample ibu ha awi we mu na ha mo le hu na na show geche egbuela ga acha atala ga acha we ne goriri nyo geche shekwo shine gba apuna acho geche mu ga Nigeria go aga me pemege agacha aga be pemege igbola ndi Igbo egburu me ndi Igbo while I'm serving our women to stop giving up how to cheap articles that cannot shenu no je choro no. When go to go and look for job. That all the one we here and job ego. Coming online with the false information cannot help you. Anom gidima. Monunu ge kwechiri. Ejoku must be hard. People gonna know why you guys are so bitter. They both get you know. Erihum junu, erihum edunu. I'm sure no kosheba akuna. That is my crime. That is my crime. Okay? This is their main professional apona that called yesterday. Lekwe. Oh, yawa with the mother of a shower. Oh, but then apona na Malaysia. I can play the give first note to ya. Bleacher. That's her. That is her. And I'm not just a cap. Ejime evidence. Just me will. Anamabia. Wait. eziokwu bụ ndụ nwanne m kwuola chụmamụ but unu ga-akwụsị iji ọtọ ụmụ nwaanyị anyị eme caricature. That is my goal and it must stop. A na-ebetere ya nakwa na-emetere ya threat oge echi aga egbu gị, aga echi lọta Nigeria aga egbu gị na lie. Look at ihe awụ the ringleader too admin ke Imo State lekwa ihu ya na-aga alụwa ya na ị ga-alụ ya na ọnwa anyị mara mma. Ịhụkwala ya gbalaga ọkpụ ya juru everywhere na the group. Oh yeah, with the professional. Look where you see him. Where now? She's a fine girl, right? All the more lolo. Ibuya no everywhere. Only we are 30,000. Ibuya no everywhere. Wait, I just from now. There's some gig I could one ketaganaka. The program got it too long. Because when facts in Japataga, I didn't just come out. Look where their main ringleader Okoto. Ozo tom wine. Oji ona ejo tom wine egwu. Ya wana ge nyem je shigi in case of ge ya tomorrow. Wo share about nwa ga aka. Everything okpu. Oh hobby ya. Happen ya na chagechi ibari nde Nnewi. Owu ya the bone of contention. Lie. Owu ya bone of contention wan shim. He ketinu umu nwanyi anyị. Owo ga-echi kpari ndị Nnewi na ala ijo ha ihe wiwe ha. What is their business na Nnewi people? Enwere ihe gbasara ha. Abia na-eji camouflage. Ke ihe na-eti una, ke ihe na-emu na akwa. Lekwa ebe ka ahụ kpọrọ echi ana m ezizi lekwa ebe ọkpọ ya na online lekwa. Lekwa ebe ọ na-ashop onye gwara gị na ya lụọla di nke ahụ na-achị bleacher. Lekwa ikpu ya ebe ọ na-asendela ụmụ nwoke. You want to go? So, my age one thing. Nam na halu hashi, pushing haru. Our women are sacred. Jana, ebumu information. Jana. Lekwa the group. Lekwa the group. Akwe na comment che post ibu ha. Mehune. In case of issue, now get nam na to ashi. Ebumu information. This is the bone of contention. Anything you na bo get cha ha. Woto get che bo wote get che because nashim ha. Stop it. No, 30,000 naira, not $300. That is why this guy is a log our women. I go show you the one who go choke you. Like a full grown ass woman, up Cynthia Made. One you no still stupid in her brain. The one got the call her a fat and tolopu. I got the one you bonanka. Diabetes a woman that destroyed her identity. Now check na get any child that will come out from that is condemned from birth. You are giving your children identity that will never depart from them. And I call it okay. Now you understand the cocoa. This is the game here. Overloaded property, you cannot even use 911 to move. Where we are, Garake, call Boguma. Where we are at the age of Guinea. I get your end has come. I just back the gate. Your end get out to your end dog get you beginning problem. Now I'm shiggy. Why are you selling Ibu? 30,000 got Bohiro Ibu. I had to share with Togechebu. I'm balling Rogechi. We will pay you. We will pay you. That is the problem. Ogechi scammed our people. Is on your she. And when I made all these things to find to tarnish me. I can make evidence. Now, do you know? At the age of grandmother, I want to put a lip with a jar. Jairo, get Leria. I had to show what I get is a bad person. I get me count no catching our so. I get Boyoshi. We will damage her image. So people will be scared of her. We will destroy her. They damage her image. I get we have to strategize. We come in group. You can't fight this woman alone. She is terrible. Our problem, Mona, huh? That's the problem, Mona. That That is the game. Ndole hunu ha mepere group, they are the same. Because I believe onye ka mepe page fight ogechi, they believe. Onye ka mepe page fight ogechi, you believe. Onye ka mepe, so we will do it like that. So people will believe in. How man evidence? Yeah, go with facts. And my with evidence. Chere belere, dekwa. Oge buso chat again. Dekwa the ring leader. Oge buso chat again. On technology precision. Technology on a chat again. We are doing Igbo challenge. We are doing Toto challenge. You will gain. You will gain. I heard Achumo. I heard Achumo. I heard Babanamu war. I heard Achumo. We talk Echebu. Joy. Okay, really negiko. Really. In my Echebole. Oh, can they will brain shot work? The way I'm a Chiku challenge. Umuanya bashia water ha lekwa the master, the grandfather lekwa the quick umuanya unu. And when who the stage of people are not on this guru group. Oh him the man in 60 something years he refused to go and marry. I didn't make an who designer of Igbo. The get who Louis Vuitton, get who Abba made, get who Crayfish made, get who Ojo Legba made, get who different type of Igbo. Another Igbo jalungai. Click love and like, they are reporting my page. Click love and like.